With the Aperture 300D light, you get your lamp with a cover, you get your snood, and you can book out an extra Fresnel adapter. You also get a V-Lock battery adapter. There's two V-Lock batteries on here. It has a controller on here which turns the power on, changes your brightness. So we have our cables here. We're going to put one to the output and then one to the lamp. It's only one way that they can go. They'll click into place and that's the unit powered. So to turn it on, we just click on the battery button, you'll see the lamp comes on. Now, something that you need to pay attention to when working on set, when working with any lights, even if they are LED and they're cool running, is that you don't have the covers on when you turn them on. This can potentially burn the covers and ultimately destroy the lamp. So to take the cover off, we just flick this little metal switch back, twist it clockwise, and the cover comes off. Attaching another attachment like a snood or the Fresnel adapter is really easy. Firstly, turn the lamp off with the three socketed shapes, put it in and then click. There is a slight diffusion on there, so we undo the focus lock and then we're able to pull that focus out and push it back in. On the front of the lamp, you have a bare lamp cover. Now it's important, even though they are LED, not to actually touch the glass on this. Firstly, you can grease the lamp, and if it becomes hot over time, the glass will warp and bubble. And secondly, if you get any kind of big particles of dirt or dust or anything like that on there, that may show up as a shadow on your set. So you will need to make sure that you clean that with some kind of clean microfiber cloth. So turning the lamp on, you'll also notice on this adapter, it has brightness controls. So I can spin this wheel, we should see that the intensity starts to get a lot higher. It has little fans inside, so be aware that whilst on set, you could potentially pick up fan noises. They are very, very quiet though, so it's not a massive risk. Attaching it to an actual lighting stand is very easy. We just take the spigot out of the top. We then turn the lamp over, undo the sides, move the support bar there, and then undo these two sides as well. Put the spigot in, that's as far as it'll go. Do these two sides up. Okay, so the spigot's nice and secure in there. Put that back in the top. Now, interestingly, these can be mounted sideways as well, so they can be mounted horizontally, and then your lighting adapter done up. However, we're just going to mount it in vertically for now, and then we do that up. Make sure that one's nice and secure as well, and then we have our light mounted, ready to use.